Okay, so in this quick video, I'm going to demonstrate how I use the Binance mobile application to quickly buy cryptocurrency. So to get started, you just want to log in. This will be done using your email or phone number, and this is assuming you already have an account set up. Once you are logged in, you'll be redirected to this page and you want to select the coin you want to purchase. Now, in my case, I am going to purchase Dogecoin. So you can see here the graphs, but what we're really interested in is that trade button in the bottom right-hand corner. Now you can use the arrows on the right-hand side to select between how many cryptocurrency you want to purchase. For example, if I wanted to purchase 100 Doge, or you can stick to this screen and decide based on the currency. You can use the drop-down currency to select different currencies, but I am in the UK, so I'm going to stick with Great British Pounds. I'm going to purchase £15 worth of Dogecoin. So I enter that in here, and once I'm happy with that, click the buy button at the bottom of the screen. Now I can decide how I want to pay. I can pay using my cash balance, but I've only got £1.80 in cash in the Binance application, or I can pay by card. I've already purchased some cryptocurrency using Binance before, so it already has my card on file. If you don't have your card on file, you can click that change card or add card button and add your details in there. Now you've got about 60 seconds to approve this, and if not, it will be auto-confirmed. If you want to confirm it, just click the button in the bottom right-hand corner and you'll get this pop-up. As you can see, for £15, I'm getting 269.2 Dogecoin at the time of filming. I am using my MasterCard to pay, and you can see the current price of Dogecoin. One Dogecoin is equivalent to 0.054 and a load of other numbers, Great British Pounds. I'm being charged a 2.066666% fee, and the total amount I'm spending is £15. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to click confirm. Again, this will auto confirm within 60 seconds if you don't press that button, and you can see that I am redirected. Now I'm redirected to my bank because Starling is linked to Binance, but if you are in the US or if you have a different bank, then this part might be slightly different depending on your authorization method. I've authorized it using my bank, and you can see now that I get this pop-up from Starling, my bank, saying I've spent £15 at buy digital asset. Now Binance is still processing. This can take a couple of seconds, and once it's approved, you can see here I purchased 269.2 Doge. Now if I click the view wallet button at the bottom right hand corner, it'll redirect me to my wallet, and you can see my total balance based on all the cryptocurrency I have within Binance. So I'm going to go down to Dogecoin, which is one of my top ones here, click on that, and you can see that on the 11th of the 4th 2021 at 16:16 I purchased 269.20 Dogecoin. And that's really quickly and simply how you purchase any cryptocurrency on the Binance mobile application. Hope you found this video useful. If you have, please click the like button. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.